Welcome to Coffee Grounds at Wallitsch Garden Center with Jeff Wallitsch. Those kids are heading back to school and you are probably heading back to your home office, right, still? But you've got some great ideas to kind of breathe some new life into your office
Yeah,
space.
you're literally actually bringing in some green and actually bringing in some fresh oxygen into your life.
You've got a great variety of house plants from low maintenance.
Low maintenance to high maintenance, Claudia. No.
Totally agree.
And really it's more from low light to kind of highlight when we have here. So the first thing that I have are the pothos, and there's so many different cool varieties, the variegated leaf here. This is one of the plants that I can't kill. And it's great to just put on your desk, easy to water. I even just kind of put it down in there and then water it in the sink and do its thing. So the next one is the snake plant here. Again, it's kind of very succulent. This is a very trendy houseplant right now. Very low light, very little water. Again, I just kind of stick them down in there so you can water it a little bit easier. Put it on your desk, leave it alone. It's super cute, super easy.
And this one, it really almost looks fake.
It does look fake, doesn't it? It's nice and green and lush and succulent-y. And it's called a ZZ plant because it's really easy to take care of. Again, it's low light like your snake plant here, low water, easy just to kind of put in a corner that's very dark. And again, same thing, just kind of take those, plop them down in their decorative pot when you need to water it.
Some more succulent ideas.
Yep, the aloe. Now these are gonna be they're low maintenance, but they need a little bit more high light. So the aloe plants are really fun to do. You can put some of those little small Tucker and succulents in there, give it some highlight and a little bit of water, you're good to go. More
high maintenance plant.
And the reason why they're high maintenance is because they need a little bit more light and they don't like to be moved. So fiddle leaves like to, once you kind of sit them there, leave them, don't do anything to it.
Great
and
ideas.
you're good to go.
For all this, head to wallitsch.net.